also saying, get away, I'm going to eat you.
That's the female and the male.
Uh-huh.
Look at her.
They've been down there.